We can't imagine our life today without various automatic devices that help us with household functions and automate all kinds of processes. After all, who could question the convenience of, say, the night lights at their house or street lights at their country house turning on automatically at a set moment in time? We could also just as easily program the watering pump at our gardens to start operation at the time most favorable for watering. It is, of course, helps that the selection of devices in the market is quite extensive, and the fast development of common availability of the Internet gave us a chance to control some of the devices remotely. The USB switch MP709 controlled over the Internet is surprisingly simple and helps implement the buy and connect principle. The unit allows any radio electronics amateur to build a power load switch that can be connected to the PC through the USB port. The device is controlled using a personal computer. The product is fed off of the USB port and is characterized with a supply voltage of 5 volts. The consumption current is only 50 milliamperes. The maximum switching current at 220 volts is 10 amperes. Each device can control one load channel. However, the software that comes with the switch enables connection of up to 32 such devices. Now let's connect the switch to the computer and run our software. The program operates in 3 modes, the local one and the remote one. In the local mode, the left window displays the connected MP709 devices. Like I said before, there can be up to 32 of them. For convenience of operation, we can rename each device in accordance with the function that it performs. For example, the RELE1 device will now have the name Light. This window can also be used to change the load status. One click on the device will activate it, another click turn it off. The external action analysis menu for the load is located on the right. If we tick the field status file, we will be able to control the load through the file mp709.local.set. The on command will activate the load, the off command will turn it off. Now let's tick the field schedule. This would enable us to control the loads according to the set schedule. The MP709 local SHT is the schedule file. We can program single activation and deactivation of the device at a given moment in time or multiple device activation, say on Mondays. If we program our device for single activation, the load will be activated at the set time. If we tick the FTP field, we will be able to control the loads through the mp709.remote.set file stored on the FTP server and developed in the remote mode. The menu item settings, delayed start, would enable us to set a delay between accesses to the FTP server and between the repeated operations of file analysis. To control loads through the Internet, we need to register on any public server that supports FTP access to files. For example, http://narod.yandex.ru and create a personal page. The next stage is to edit the file mp709.ini by inputting our personal registration data. Now, to control the loads through the Internet, let's run this program in the remote mode. The left window will display a list of MP709 devices. In this mode, the program generates the MP709 remote.set file, which is transferred over to the FTP server. Then the file MP709 remote state, downloaded from the FTP server, is read and displayed in the right window. The refresh button is used for file data transmission. The USB switch MP709 will come in handy at your home and country house. You can use it to turn on the lights or water supply pumps, or to activate any other desired loads through the Internet.